We're here in Upland, California on a nice wet winter day. We're taking a look at the electrical panel. Now this particular home was built in 1969, and we're seeing a condition here with the wiring that's common for homes of this age, or fairly common at least. If you look inside of here, you see that the wiring to the individual circuits is a single strand solid aluminum wiring. You can kind of see it back in there as well. Aluminum wiring was used in residential construction between the mid-1960s into the mid-1970s, and the reason for it was there was a copper shortage, and copper was very expensive. Copper wiring is what you normally would see before and after this time period. There are some issues with aluminum wiring. It tends to oxidate a lot more than copper, so you end up with corrosion on it. It also tends to heat up and expand a lot more than copper wiring. So the potential issue is at your connection points, either at your circuit breakers or at your light switches or receptacles throughout the home. Over a period of time, that significant expansion and contraction, when you use the receptacle, it can actually loosen the connections and lead to failure issues or faults. So anytime we see aluminum wiring, it's a good idea to have an electrician evaluate it closely to see what corrections need to be done. There are ways to mitigate this without rewiring the entire home, so that's what we're going to recommend in this case.